Hi, welcome to this second lesson on bearing. In this lesson, I've included two questions taken from past GCE O-level exams. In question 1, we are given the bearing of B from A is 0.72 degree. This means the angle here is 72 degree because when it says the bearing of B from A, means the angle is at the point A. So we draw from the north in a clockwise direction until we reach the line AB. And the angle is given as 72 degree. So I can write this down, 72 degree on the figure. And we are asked to find the bearing of A from B. Again, notice that the question says from B. It means that the angle we want is at the point B. So we have to draw the north-south line at the point B. So this is the north-south line at the point B. And we are asked to find the bearing of A from B. That means you start from a point to the north of B and go in a clockwise direction until you reach the line AB. So this is the angle we have to find. So we notice that these two lines are parallel. In other words, the angle here and the angle here are called interior angles. And when added together, they give you 180 degrees. So we can find the angle here. 180 less this angle will give you 108 degree. So we can find the angle here because the angle at the point is 360 degree. So the bearing of A from B is 360 minus 108 degree. That will give us 252 degree. So that's the answer for part A, the bearing of A from B. Now for part B, we are told that C is due south of B. C here is due south of B. This means the line BC is the north-south line. So in other words, this whole line is a straight line from here all the way to the point C. So we have two parallel lines here. And we are given these two sides, BA and BC are equal. We can first find the angle here. Since these two lines are parallel, this angle is equal to this angle here because they are alternate angles. So this is 72 degrees. So we can easily find the bearing of A from C. Again, notice that the question says from C. So we know that the angle we want is at the point C. And since this is the north-south line, we just start from a point above C and draw in a clockwise direction all the way to the line AC. This is the angle we are required to find. But first we have to find this angle here, which is equal to the angle here. They are the base angles of the isosceles triangle ABC. Since this is 108 degrees, we know that these two angles can be found easily by 108 divided by 2. Because this is an exterior angle, and the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angles of a triangle. So this will give you 54 degrees. So we can find the answer for the bearing of A from C again by using 360 degrees, which is the total angle at this point, minus 54 degrees, which will give us 306 degrees. Okay, now for number 2, we're given that A, B, C are 3 towns, and C is equidistant from A and B. The bearing of C from A is 132 degrees, and angle BAC is 75 degrees. Since this is isosceles triangle, we know that if this is 75, this is also 75 degrees. This angle can therefore be found easily. 180 less these two will give us 30 degrees. That is the answer for A, part 1. The acute angle ACB, 30 degrees. Now the reflex angle ACB. Reflex angle means the angle that is between 180 and 360 degrees. More than 180 but less than 360. That will be referring to this angle here. Reflex angle ACB. So this angle can be found easily. 360 minus 30 degrees. That will give us 330 degrees. Now, part B, the bearing of A from C. A from C. So we know the angle we want is at this point, C, because it says A from C. So we start from a point to the north of C and go in a clockwise direction until we reach the line AC. Now how to find this angle? We can first find this angle here. This angle can be found because this and this are interior angles. It means they are supplementary. When added together, the sum is 180 degrees. So we take 180 less this angle will give us the angle here, 48 degrees. If this is 48, 360 less 48 will give us the bearing of A from C. Now for the final part, the bearing of A from B. A from B. It says here from B. So we know the angle we want is at the point B. So we start from a point above B and go in the clockwise direction until we reach the line AB, which is here. So the angle we want is here. The small angle here. So to find the angle here, we can extend the north-south line further down. So we notice this small angle here is equal to the small angle here. And this angle from here to here is 180 degrees. Which means that the sum of these two angles less 180 will give us the small angle here. 132 at 75 will give us 207. 207 less 180 will give us this small angle here. This minus this will give you 27 degrees. So we know the small angle here is 27. Similarly, the angle here also 27. So the answer for the bearing of A from B is 0 to 7 degrees. Remember that bearing you need to have 3 digits in your answer. Since 27 is less than 100, you have to add a 0 in front. Please subscribe for more videos.